Hello everyone. So today we're going to be using Uniswap, one of Ethereum's largely used and adopted decentralized exchange, where you can swap one crypto asset to another. It now supports all the major layer 2s and EVM chains, including Base, Unichain, Linea, zkSync, Binance, Smart Chain, and more. And actually, since a while already, Uniswap also acts as a bridge where you can swap an asset from one chain to an asset on another chain. So what can you do on Uniswap? You can swap your tokens. You can provide liquidity for your tokens. Now we're going to be showing you how to do all of this in this video. You can even launch tokens or participate in token auctions. I'll be showing you how to do that as well. For example, we have participated in the Octrap sale, so let's begin. So to swap some tokens on Uniswap, just select the tokens you would like to swap. In this case, it is some Ethereum on Base. We would like to swap it to another asset on Base, so just select the network here if you don't know what asset. Okay, so it's already selected. What asset are we going to swap into on Base? The Benes token. In case you don't know about what this project does yet, I advise you to look it up all in ParoDeFi because it's a really interesting one. It's a crypto AI project. So yeah, let's just buy 0.03 Ethereum of Benes token. Go review, press swap, and just confirm the swap in your wallet. And there you go. Just a few seconds. You can check transaction on Basecamp. You can check your portfolio to see if you received the tokens, and here they are. And then, to sell it, I could either go back to the trade interface and select the token, or I can just press on the token from here and proceed to swap it back to whatever else I want. In this case, I'm gonna be selling roughly 50% of it so that we can provide liquidity to this liquidity pool. So let me show you how we do that. Let's just sell it back. So here we have to do the double transaction signing since we are approving the Benes token for the first time. And there you go, we have sold half of our Benes tokens and now we can provide liquidity. Before we leave the section, don't forget you can also set limit orders, and you can actually even buy, no, it's not supported in my region, but I think in some region you can actually buy directly with like an integrated on-ramp by connecting your bank account and with even crypto directly on your wallet here. Anyway, let's provide liquidity. So we want to look up for our token and select pools. We're going to be depositing either in one of these pools. We actually have to check them out to see which one has more liquidity and more volume. So this one has 230,000 with almost 15% of this ratio to volume, but not much fees. So let's see the other pool. Yeah, it seems like this one is the main pool. Well, no, this one hasn't made that many fees. Which one is the main pool? Well, actually, if we go directly on the token, we should be able to find the best pool from here. This one is the one with the highest total body lock, but you can actually see the one which has been earning the highest APR and sealed is this one, which has less total body lock, but a higher fee tier. So we're just going to be depositing into this one, which is pure Ethereum on Benes token. Lovely. So to deposit, you would just go here on Add Liquidity, select the token pair that's already selected, the fee tier. Now you can customize your range or go with a full range. If you are not a very experienced market maker, which you could become, or you can start by reading some ways of working of liquidity providing on Uniswap. But in the meanwhile, we will just provide a very wide range and deposit our tokens. So I usually first set the tokens here. So the other side of the tokens would be set automatically to match the dollar value of whichever token I am first inserting. There you go. You proceed with review, create the position, sign the transactions, and we have created our position, which will be earning us yield very soon, or actually immediately, which you can claim at every second. Now, our pool should load here very soon. Here you go. And you can track it from here. If the price moves a lot either up or down, it might exit your range. But considering we have just chosen our very wide range, it most likely will not. It would happen more quickly if we did a tighter range. I can check here the fees I have earned. And if I wanted to remove liquidity, I would just go remove liquidity, set how much you want to remove, and just proceed, but we will keep it for now. And for the auctions, finally, let's see. There is no ongoing auction, but basically how it works is that a token launches at one of the lowest possible prices set by the team, and there is a time duration of the auction, and people can make bids, but the more bids are done, the higher the auction price goes, and at the end of the auction time, the fully diluted valuation which has been established with the last bids will be the one at which the tokens will be distributed to the bidders.